Howdy ho, little potatoes, and welcome to today's Potato Bites. We're going to take a look at the difference between padding and margin. So they're very similar and it's really easy to get confused between the two. Long story short, padding is on the inside and margin is on the outside. If we think about these things, I want you to picture jackets. One is a plain old hoodie, which is basically just fabric. Another is a puffer jacket. If you think about padding, I want you to think about the padded puffer jacket. That should be a song. This jacket has padding. It's not just the fabric. So padding versus no padding or margin. People who wear hoodies, people usually tend to stay away from you because you look scary. So there'll be some space between you and that person. Let's take a look at a more practical example. Okay, so over here I have two blocks. Let's say I want to create some space in between them. That's where we use margin. Smelly hoodie. Make some space there. So this grayish color is representing the margin in between them. Actually, let's make it this color so it's easier to see. This color represents margin. One reason you would want to add padding is, let's say for example you have something like text inside of a block. It's like touching the edges, which gives me anxiety personally. So if I add some padding, let's say the padding will look like this. It'll be represented by this white over here. You'll notice that, oh, now it's actually touching it. So now instead of touching the top of the box, let's just hide this padding. You can see there's actually like a little bit of space there. Obviously you'll play around with how much padding you want based on what your content needs. But now the padding will actually help to trigger the overflow. So if we add like another letter here, it'll all expand but still adhere to the padding that you have set out. So essentially padding keeps everything inside nice and cozy and comfortable so that it doesn't like touch the sides, and margin is the smelly hoodie. So it is keeping everything apart from each other. And that's our potato bite for today. If you have anything I'd like me to cover, please leave it in the comments below. See you next time, potato.